What if I told you that just like water leaking out of a bucket with holes in it, there were holes in your investment strategy that were costing you $500,000? Would you want me to show you those holes so you could patch them up? Of course, right? Or you might say, that can't be right. My account is growing. I'm not losing money. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you the top 3 biggest money leaks that I see in most people's portfolios that cost them tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars, or even millions of dollars over time. These money leaks are completely invisible to most people until you know what to look for. So even if your account is growing, if it's not growing as much as it should, that means less money in the future when you need it most. But once you can spot and fix these money leaks with the right systems and strategies in place, it is mind-blowing how your money can grow for you, especially over the long term. Like if you invest $200 each month for 40 years, you will have put in a total of $96,000. If your money grows at 10% per year, your money will grow to over $1.275,000. The vast majority, over $1 million, is your money growing for you. But that also means that even small money leaks can have devastating consequences. By the way, hello and welcome. I'm Penelope Jane Smith, and my intention with this channel is to give you the money skills, tools, and systems and insights that you need in order to create more ease, peace, and freedom in your life when it comes to finances. Just to be clear, I'm not a financial planner and I don't give financial advice or sell investment products. My goal here is to give you straightforward and unbiased financial education and guidance so you can be a good steward of your money. Nothing I say should be construed as financial advice. Please don't make any investment decisions based solely on a YouTube video, okay? Thank you. Now, when I work with financial coaching clients, I can typically spot 2 to 5% in money leaks in their portfolios right away, often even more. So let's see what just a 2% money leak can do. I shared that if you invest $200 a month for 40 years and your money grows at 10% a year, your money will grow to $1,275,000 and change. But if your money should have been growing at 10%, but only earned 8%, after that 2% money leak, you would end up with a little less than $703,000. A small 2% money leak would mean $572,000 less. And if you want to start living off your investments at that point, the 2% money leak means that your money will only be generating about $4,700 per month instead of about $10,600 per month, nearly $6,000 a month less. That's just a 2% money leak. If you have a 3 or 4 or 5% money leak, the cost to your future self is even more dramatic. So let's take a look at the top 3 biggest money leaks that I see in most portfolios. Number 1 is not tapping the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Just kidding. But it would be amazing if you could just take a split second to tap the like button. It helps me grow my channel, and more importantly, it helps other awesome people like you get access to this information so they can plug the money leaks in their portfolios and set themselves up for a brighter financial future. Money leak number 1 is actually over-diversification. You've probably heard that diversification is important, but you can overdo it, which slows the growth of your money so much that it's hard to reach your financial goals. For example, a lot of financial planning models have a certain percentage of your portfolio allocated to massively underperforming assets. I had a session with a new VIP financial coaching client who was very happy with the financial planner that she had been working with for years. Once she understood the positions and the investment strategy that he had recommended for her, she was like, "Why would he do this to me?" The strategy that he was using was reasonable and similar to what other big box advisors use, but the portfolio was over-diversified, which meant that my client's money was growing super slowly, leaving her less money to work with when she needed it most. If your advisor has you in 20, 30, 40, I've seen clients with as many as 80 different positions or ticker symbols in their portfolio, you're probably over-diversified. As human beings, our short-term memories can hold about 7 things at a time, plus or minus 2, depending on the person. So in general, I encourage you to own 5 or fewer ticker symbols. Otherwise, it can get too complicated and difficult to track, so you don't really see what's going on, and you can end up making bad decisions. Money leak number 2 is market crash exposure. You've also probably heard that the stock market is volatile, meaning it goes up and down a lot, like a roller coaster, but it tends to go up over time, and that's true. Now, because of that, a lot of financial advisors recommend a long-term buy and hold strategy. I actually love this strategy because you can put it on autopilot, not have to think about it, and statistically, you'll do a lot better than if you were actively trading or trying to time the market. But the downside is that you expose yourself to big market crashes and corrections, which can cut your portfolio in half and take 5 or more years to recover. That can give you financial PTSD. The presupposition with this strategy is that you never know when a crash or correction is coming, but actually there are many signals that are easy to spot if you know how. And money leak number 3 is not investing in the first place. This might be the biggest money leak of all. Even if your portfolio is over-diversified and fully exposed to market crashes, in the long term, you're still way ahead of the game compared to someone who's not investing at all. I've worked with many clients who are so worried about losing their hard-earned money that they keep most or all of their money in cash. The American Association of Actuaries and Pension Planners did some detailed research on retirement success. What do you think was the secret to having enough money to retire? Diversification? Expense ratios? The track record of different mutual funds? Here's what they found out. The number 1 secret to having enough money to retire was savings rate. 74% of what made someone have enough money to retire was that they actually saved money and invested it in the first place. So we can debate the pros and cons of different investment strategies, but the most important thing is to start investing and keep investing month after month, year after year. Build that muscle. The habit of managing your money is more important than the amount. So I encourage you to start investing more now, even if it's just a few dollars. It can make a big difference. So let's talk about what stops people from investing in the first place. A lot of people are afraid of making a mistake or making a bad investment and losing money. And that's totally valid. Every investment has some risk, but so does keeping all your money in cash. Here's the thing, you're always investing your money somewhere. So you're always investing. There are only 5 main asset classes, and your money has to be in at least one of them. Real estate, bonds, stock, commodities, or currency. If all your money is in cash stuffed in your mattress, you are actively investing in that local currency. And in that case, you're risking losing money every single year to inflation, as well as the opportunity cost of not investing your money in a different asset that could have your money grow for you. The key to investing with confidence and not losing sleep and not having to freak out about losing money is to increase your financial education and follow a proven investment strategy that you understand and feel comfortable with. If you don't have an investment strategy that you understand and feel comfortable with, then it's important to invest some time in studying and learning a bit more about investing. Another thing that stops people from investing is thinking, I don't have enough money to invest. As I mentioned, the habit of managing your money is more important than the amount. So instead of thinking, I'll start investing when I have money, change that thought to I'll have money when I start investing. It's fine to start small, even with $100, $25, $5, $1. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. And the next best time is today. Same thing with investing. The best time to start investing is now, now, now. Get the power of compound interest on your side. And the last reason more people don't invest is that they don't know how to get started. This is why financial education is so important. The single best financial education resource I can give you is our Financial Freedom 101 online 3-day event. In just 3 days, you'll get the money skills, tools, and systems you need to become financially secure for the rest of your life. And yes, one of the money systems we help you get clear on is your investment strategy. So click the link in the description or go to financialfreedom101online.com to get all the details and claim your ticket if it's a fit and we still have space. We've had thousands of entrepreneurs from all over the world attend this event, and a lot of them have shared that this event was a financial turning point in their lives. And if you're already registered for Financial Freedom 101, I'm excited to see you there and help you plug the money leaks in your portfolio. Thanks for watching and happy investing.